top 5 herbal remedies to help in hirsutism. Hair are beautiful, but not in the wrong places. Growth of excessive body hair in women on part of body where it is normally absent or minimal, such as chin, chest, stomach or back, is a disease called hirsutism. In this condition, body represents male pattern of hair growth and usually indicative of more serious disorder. It can be because of high level of androgens in body. Hirsutism can be because of variety of reasons. The causes include polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS, where there is imbalance of sex hormones, Cushing syndrome, where high level of cortisol are present. Some tumors or medications like danazol can also cause hirsutism. It can also be caused by congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Here are the top 5 herbal remedies to help in hirsutism. 1. Peony and licorice decoction. Traditional Chinese medicine have long used decoction made out of peony and licorice roots to help women with this problem. It is generally used in women suffering from hirsutism with long-term polycystic ovarian disease, PCOS. It is also available as capsule dosage form. 2. Mentha spicata or spearmint infusion. Increase in male hormones in female are often cause of hirsutism. A small study conducted on women suffering from PCOS and hirsutism revealed beneficial effect of Mentha spicata infusion on lowering free testosterone. However, total testosterone levels and T level were not found to be affected. Mentha spicata is also known as spearmint and is widely available. 3. Chase tree. Also known as Agnus castus. It is available in form of tea, tablets or tinctures. It is believed to be beneficial as alternative therapy for hirsutism. 4. Saw palm or Serenoa repens. A palm-like tree, Serenoa repens can be beneficial in reducing hirsutism. It has been found to benefit in reducing the severity of androgenic dermatological condition in both men and women. It is available in market as tablet or capsule. 5. Red clover tea. Red clover tea also is one of the herbal treatment to help patients suffering from hirsutism. Red clover contains clomestrol, which is a phytoestrogen. It acts on estrogen receptor. Red clover should not be used by people suffering from estrogen-related disorders. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel please. Maybe you'll like this video. Get a free ebook about diabetes. Discover now.